to Playtime Fun. Today we are going to be doing a wolf head, and I want you to subscribe and hit that like button. I hope you enjoy this video. So the first thing we're going to start with is the ear. So for the ear, we are going to do zigzags like this. And if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video and unpause it when you're done. And we're gonna do zigzags down now. So I'm gonna add details after we're done, like doing the shape of the ear. So now we're gonna do the inside of its ear. You can add whatever details if you want. I'm adding like details like that, and I'm making mine a girl wolf because I love wolf girls and I just love wolves. So the next step we're going to be doing is its face. So we're going to be drawing like it's like a little bridge that just came up and then down. Then we're going to just keep going and stop. And then when you're done, you can draw a big straight line. And then draw a straight line down. You can make it as big as you want. Now we're going to do the nose. So the nose is going to be right there. And so first we do a big curve, then down, in, over, like that. And then color it in. Then now we're gonna do the mouth. You can make it open, shut, whatever you want. So if you want to make it open, then just copy me. If you like this video, please leave a comment. Okay, so what we are gonna do for its mouth, we are going to do a straight line over, just like the nose. And then we're gonna do a line down, like diagonal, like this, like she's roaring. And then we are going to do her teeth, because without a teeth, she's not gonna look like a wolf. She's gonna look like an old wolf that has no teeth. Am I right? So then we're gonna do the canine teeth first. And the first tooth that we're gonna start off with is the top tooth. So we're gonna do it right, and oh wait, yeah, we're gonna do the eye first. So just keep on doing the eye. So I forgot that I was gonna do the eye first. I was confused. I didn't know what to draw, so I decided to draw the eye first. And then I spoke too soon, and yeah. Now we're gonna draw the eye like that. You can make it a girl or a boy by adding eyelashes or no eyelashes, or you can make it whatever you want. You can make it have sharp teeth, sharp eye. I'm gonna make like cartoon eyes. And then I'm gonna color it in. Color it in. So fun. I love drawing. If you love drawing, comment down below. And so if you're not done, you can pause the video. Right now, I'm going to do the eyelashes because I love girl stuff and wolves. So I'm going to do a wolf girl. And then the teeth, I'm going to do right there. It might look like a baby at first, but then we're going to add the sharp teeth in the back. So that's her canine teeth. Then we're going to do the sharp teeth in the back. And then after we're done with the top, we do the bottom. And we keep going. And you can add as many teeth as you want. You can make her like a boy or whatever. So then our wolf, we're going to add fur on her side. So just copy me when I'm doing her fur, because she's gonna have fur on the side of her. So first a little line down like that, and then over there, then sharp turn again, 3 sharp turns, and then go straight up like that. And this is our wolf, my friend. I hope you like it. If you like wolves, comment down below. And see you in my next video. I hope you loved it. Bye.